Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. Thank you for stopping by. This story is written for intermediate English learners. Ready? Let's get started. B1, B2 English story. A growing family. My sister is pregnant with twins. She didn't think she could get pregnant, and now she's going to have double the trouble. Twins run in the family. My dad is a twin, and his mother was a twin. I can't wait to meet my little nieces or nephews. I am going to spoil them rotten. I don't want children because I like to travel a lot. I move to different countries for my work. But I love children and I look forward to being an auntie. I also have a brother, but he's only 15, so he doesn't have any children yet. My parents are extremely excited about the new arrivals. I think they're also a bit nervous because they know how much hard work it will be and how tired my sister and brother-in-law are going to be. My brother-in-law is going to have 6 months of parental leave. It's hard to imagine that in just a few weeks their lives are going to change forever. At the moment, their house is quiet and calm, and they can get up and go to sleep on the weekends when they like. When the twins arrive, it'll be a completely different matter. They'll have to get up every few hours to feed them, change them, and care for them. They're going to be truly knackered. I hope their kids won't cry a lot and they'll be chilled out babies. My mum and dad don't live very close to my sister, but they are going to stay in an Airbnb near their house for the first few weeks after the twins are due. My sister said there's no need, but deep down, I think she's glad they'll be there to guide and help them. My sister works as a teacher and her husband is a finance officer. He does the accounts for the local hospital. It's good that my sister is a teacher because it means she can have the school holidays off with her children. My brother-in-law is lucky because his job is quite flexible, so sometimes he'll be able to work from home or do condensed hours so he can spend time with the twins. They have picked some names, but they haven't asked to know what the children's genders are. They want it to be a secret. My sister would love to have a boy and a girl, but she knows that is quite rare, so we'll see. I'm sure if the twins end up being identical, then they'll have lots of fun once they get to school. The good thing about being a twin is that if they get on, they'll never be lonely. They'll always have a friend and someone they can play with and talk to. I do hope they get on. I have helped my sister decorate the nursery and I've bought them some bits and bobs. They've already got so many things that I thought it would be better to get my sister and her husband a present. I've arranged for a lovely food hamper to be sent to their house after the baby's due date. The last thing they'll be thinking about is food shopping, so hopefully it'll help them out a little bit. I'm glad I'm going to be at home for the first few months after the twins are born. Then I have to go to Sydney for 6 months for work. By the time I get back, they will have grown so much. I know after that I'm going to be based in London for a while, so I'll be able to visit them regularly. I want to be close to them and to be part of their lives. Hopefully, when they're older, I'll be able to take them on little trips. My brother is extremely excited about becoming an uncle. He feels very grown up. He's already volunteered to be a babysitter. He's great with kids. He's so calm and considerate. It's so exciting that a new generation of our family is just around the corner. And I can't wait for all the traditions and memories we can create together. Now let's go through some vocabulary from the story. Finance. Finance. Finance is the management of a supply of money. Flexible. Flexible. To be flexible is to be able to change or be changed easily according to the situation. Gender. Gender. Gender is the roles, behaviours, activities and characteristics that a particular society considers appropriate for men and women. Identical. Identical. If two things are identical, then they are exactly the same or very similar. To be spoilt rotten. This idiom means to do whatever someone wants you to do, or to give someone anything they want. Tradition. Tradition. A tradition is a very old custom, belief, or story. Volunteer. Volunteer. A volunteer is a person who does something, especially helping other people, willingly and without being forced or paid to do it. Considerate. Considerate. To be considerate is to be kind and helpful. Condensed. Condensed. If something is condensed, it is made smaller or shorter. Knackered. Knackered. If something is knackered, it is broken or very tired. Babysitter. Babysitter. A babysitter is someone you pay to come to your house and look after your children while you are not there, especially in the evening. Generation. Generation. A generation is all the people of about the same age within a society or within a particular family. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story and the vocabulary explanations. Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Get productive and check out our language learning productivity packs and stories on Etsy. Use code YouTube10 for 10% off. See you soon!